King back now.
DJ Vader.
It's a new generation
DJ King, it's worldwide.
of party people.
Get on the floor, darling.
DJ Vader.
Get it on the floor, get it on the floor, get it on the floor, get it on the floor.
When you're in the club, you jazz on the floor. When you're in the club, you jazz on the floor.
Get it on the floor, get it on the floor, get it on the floor, get it on the floor.
When you're in the club, you jazz on the floor. When you're in the club, you jazz on
I'm
the floor.
loose, and everybody knows I get off the train. Baby, it's the truth. I'm like Inception, I play with your brain, so don't sleep or snooze. I don't play no games, so don't get it confused, no. Cause you will lose, yeah. Now pump it up and back it up like a Tonka truck. Darling.
If you go hard, you gotta get on the floor.
Get it on the floor.
If you're a party freak, then step on the floor. If you're an animal, then tear up the floor. Break the sweat on the floor. Yeah, we work on the floor.
Get it on the floor.
Don't stop, keep it moving, put your drinks up.
Get buzzed, get drunk, get crunk, get fucked up. Hit the strip club, don't forget one. Get your dick rubbed, get fucked, get sucked, get wasted, shit faced it, pasted, blasted, puke, drink off, get a new drink, hit the bathroom, sink off. Wipe your shoe clean, got a routine going, still got a few chunks on them shoestrings showing I was dehydrated till the beat vibrated. I was revived as soon as this bitch gyrated them hips and licked them lips, and that was it. I had to get naked, dog, get to sing some shit. I'm a menace, a dentist, and all hygienist. Open your mouth for about 4 or 5 minutes. Take a little bit of this fluoride riddance, switch but don't spit it, swallow it now, finish. Yeah, me and Nate deal double D, looking for a couple bitches with some double D's. Pop a little champagne and a couple D's, living in a bubble D. We
Get it on the floor.
Tonight we gon' be it on the floor. Tonight we gon' be it on the floor.
In the club, party rock. Looking for your girl, she on my jock. Non-stop when we in the spot. Booty moving weight like she on the block. With a drink, I got to know. Tight jeans, tattoo, cause I'm rock raw. Half black, half white, diamond now. Gang of money, open up.
DJ Vader.
Every day I'm shuffling. Step up fast and be the first girl to make me throw this cash. We get money, don't be mad, now stop. Hating is bad. One more shot for us, another round. Please fill up my cup, don't mess around. We just wanna see you shaking up. Now you home with me. You're naked
Get
now.
up, get down, put your hands up to the sound. Dance the night away, live your life and stay young on the floor.
When you're in the club, you jazz on the floor. When you're in the club, you jazz on the floor.
Dance the night away, grab somebody, drink a little more.
When you're in the club, you jazz on the floor. When you're in the club, you jazz on the floor.
Get it on the floor.
Tonight we gon' be it on the floor. Tonight we gon' be it on the floor.
Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. But I know that I don't and I won't ever stop. Cause you know I gotta win every day. She really wanna pop me. Just know that you will never fight me. And I know that I gotta be a little cocky. You ain't never gonna stop me. Every time I come a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go in and I gotta get it, then I gotta blow in and I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna dead it. And I'm gonna murder everything and anything about a boom, about a bang. I gotta do a lot of things that make it clear to a couple niggas that I always win, and then I gotta get it again and again and again. And I be doing it to death, and now I move a little foul. A nigga better call a ref, and everybody know my style. Niggas know that I'm the best when they come to doing this. And I be banging on my chest, and I bang in the east, and I banging in the west. And I kinda give you more, and I would never give you less. You will hear it in the street, or you can read it in the press. Do you really wanna know what's next? Let's go. See the way we on it, and we all up in the race. And you know we gotta go, now try to keep up with the pace. And we struggle and hustle and set it and to get it. And we always gotta do it, take it to another place. Gotta taste it, and I gotta grab it, and I gotta cut all through this traffic just to be at the top of the throne. But I know I gotta have it.